The silence in the masjid was heavy. People were caught up in their businesses, their homes, their desires, chasing the glitter of this world, forgetting where they came from and where they were going. Then, Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, A.S. stood. His face was glowing with nur, his voice calm but commanding, and the weight of truth echoed in every word. He didn't speak for attention. He didn't raise his voice to be heard. He raised the veil from their eyes. And with just a few words, he broke the illusion of dunya and reminded them of the eternity waiting on the other side. Behold, the world has turned its back and is leaving, and the hereafter is coming forward and arriving. Be aware, today is the time of preparation, and tomorrow is the race. The prize is paradise, and the destination is hellfire. These are not just words. They were lightning, meant to awaken hearts drowned in comfort. Mullah Ali, A.S., gave us a map in just 2 lines. This world is walking away from you. The next world is walking toward you. And you're standing at the center with one choice. Will you prepare today while there's still time? Or will you wait for tomorrow when nothing will be left but your deeds? Imam Ali didn't say, don't live in the world. He said, don't let it live inside you. Today is the arena, the training ground. Tomorrow is the race. And when that trumpet is blown and the books are opened, the only prize that matters will be Jannah, and the only fear that remains will be Jahannam. Don't wait for the finish line to realize you never even joined the race. By the tongue of Haq, Ali ibn Abi Talib S. Today is the time of preparation. Tomorrow is the race.